Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these ninja nunchucks. To start, we're going to make 2 handles, make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch all the way around. For round 3, do 1 single crochet and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For rows 4 to 8, single crochet all the way around. For round 9, single crochet, then decrease, and repeat that all the way around. For rows 10 to 30, single crochet all the way around. For round 31, decrease all the way around, then sew up the hole. Make a second handle the same way. Next, we'll make the handle caps. Make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch all the way around. For round 3 and 4, single crochet all the way around, then fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Make a second cap the same way, then sew them on the tops of the handles. Lastly, we're going to make the chains. We're going to make 4 of them. All you have to do is chain 10, then slip stitch into the first chain to create a ring. The 2 end chains are done separately. The middle ones, chain 10. And then before you slip stitch to create a circle, place one of the ends on the chain 10. And then slip stitch together to create a circle. The chains are then linked. You're going to do that as many times as you want, actually, to make the chain as long as you want. I'm just going to do 4. So I'm going to do a second one. I'm going to place the chain 10 between this loop that I just created and this loop over here that's not attached to anything, so that all 4 are attached. Then I'm going to sew in the tails from the 2 middle ones and 1 tail from the 2 end ones. It's going to look like a pretty tangled mess until you have the extra tails weaved in. So just weave those in. Then all you have to do is attach either end of the chain to the top of each handle. And there you have your ninja nunchucks. Great for a Halloween costume and super lightweight. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!